Good morning, grade 1. How are you all? Today is Monday, 13 April. We will start our lesson today about comparative ending. Comparative ending, ER or EST. When we compare two things to each other. For example, look at these two elephants. Which one is shorter? This one. Which one is smaller? This one. Which one is bigger? This one. Do you hear me? Which one is bigger? The adjective big. Then we add to the adjective er, bigger. Why we add er? Because we compare just two things. Just two. How many elephants? You can see two. So when we compare two things to each other, we add to the adjective er. Okay? For example, let's go down to see. Look here. This is bigger. This is the adjective big. Okay. Then we double the last letter. Why we double the last letter? Because here is vowel before consonant. This is vowel, so we double the last one. Then we add er. Then it became bigger. The adjective bigger. Why we add er to the adjective? Because we compare two animals or two things to each other. Okay? Here is a small. This is the adjective small. Then we add er. Then it became smaller. Why we add er here? Because we compare just two things or two animals to each other. Okay, two elephants. They are just two. What if they are more than two? They are 3 or 4 or 5 or like this. We will see. If we compare two things, if you compare more than 2, how many elephants? 3. More than 2, so we will add to the adjective est. Which one is the biggest elephant? Which is the biggest elephant? This one is the biggest elephant. Which one is the smallest elephant? This one is the smallest elephant. Okay? So here, again, if we have more than 2, we will use or add to the adjective est. Look here. This is the adjective big. This is the adjective big. So we double G, the last letter, because we have here vowel I. So we double the last letter G. Then we add est. Then we read it as biggest. Okay? Do you hear it? Good? Biggest. It is easy. Don't be afraid when you see it long like this. But it is very easy to read it. Biggest. Today your job just to read this. To read these adjectives. It have est or those who have er. Small, then we add est, so it is smallest. Please repeat with me. Biggest, smallest. So when we add est to the adjective, when we compare more than 2. When we compare what? More than 2. Not 2, more than 2. Okay, let's see another example. Look here at these two boys. Which one is shorter? Here, I will add er to the adjective because they are just 2. Okay, they are just what? 2. Which one is taller? This one taller. Which one is shorter? This one shorter. We add er because they are just 2. Look here, this is the adjective short. This is the adjective short. Then we add er. Then we read it as shorter. This is the adjective tall. Then we add er. Then we read it as taller. Okay? So we use er or we add er to the adjective when we compare two things or two people to each other. Okay? If they are more than 2, they are 3 or 4 or like this. Which one is the tallest? Look at this EST. Tallest. This one is the tallest one. Which one is the shortest? This one is the shortest one. Okay. Look here. This is the adjective. What happened? I'm so sorry. Again, this is the adjective short. Then we add est to the adjective, so it is shortest. So when you see an adjective like this, ends with est, know that it is a comparative. And we add est because we compare more than two. Shortest, shortest, shortest. Tallest, tallest. Okay? It is very easy. Okay? I think you can read it. Okay? Now we will go to our book, page 184. Okay, look at these three giraffes. Okay, which one is the tallest? This one is the tallest. Look at this, he is measuring them. Okay, which one is the tallest? This one. Which one is the shortest? This one, the shortest. Okay, look here at these elephants. Look here at these elephants. Here. Which one is the biggest? This one. Which one is the smallest? This one. Okay, look here at these two goats. Which one is older? This one is older. Which one is younger? This one is younger. Okay, here in this page you can find many examples about this comparative. Okay, now we will go to our book. Now this is our book, page 186, comparative ending ER or EST. Okay, look here at this picture. Here ending ER. We use ER because they are just two, taller. Look here at these three flies. Which one is smallest? We use EST because they are more than two. Let's read this one, biggest. Now you can read this one, biggest, tallest, tallest, hotter, hotter. Look here, this is the adjective hot. Then we double or we add more T because here this is a vowel. So we add T and then we add ER. The same here in biggest. This is big, the adjective big, because we have here vowel, we make the G, we double the letter G. Okay? Faster, faster, hardest, hardest. Let's read these sentences I can read. He ate the biggest plum from the tallest tree. In summer, hotter is summer hotter than winter. We think faster when we work at the hardest task. I think it is very easy for you to read. Okay, please read these words. They are 5. Read them. I want your mom to record a video for you while you are reading. I will send some of you reading on the program or on the group of our school because you are excellent, very excellent, and your moms are very excellent. I'm waiting for you reading. Okay.